Alright, so I'm very like orange in here. Motor came in, engine's right there. Not gonna really worry about it. Car's over here. Not gonna really worry about it right now. But today I do need to turn this music off. I do need to work on the Eclipse. So lately I've been getting what's called this oil pressure light. The oil light has been coming on, has been flickering from time to time, and that usually means that it's the oil sensor. Now the 2.4 liter engine, like I have, has two spots. There's this sensor right here, right down in here. The one that I'm touching, it's hard to see because the lighting is terrible, but this one down there that I already replaced, and it's not doing anything. And then the other one, which is extremely hard to see, is all the way back there. So that's why the car is on jacks, and I just need to get underneath there and mess with that. So that's pretty much what I have to do right now. I'm gonna start getting all my tools and stuff together, and then getting that situated is excruciating, but it's important. Getting that together is important, so we're gonna get underneath that car and get that done. So I've been out here for, how long would you say, John? I don't know. An hour. An hour. I've been out here for an hour. And look who's working. Oh, that's your crotch. Got my boy working down here.
You're trying to get the money shot.
Yeah, the money shot.
Wait. Counterclockwise is tight, right?
Let me see it.
So like this, it would be this way. Lefty loosey, right? It would be the other way.
Yeah. Your hands. Yeah, must be nice. I can't. I couldn't find an angle to do it at all. But apparently John's found it, so.
1 hour later.
Oh, what's up? Alright, so this is a new one. This is the old one. You can kind of see, look at the build up on this, and not to mention there's something stuck in there that's like broken off. I feel like, I don't know, but it's extremely like fucked up and oily as well too. So this new one should hopefully alleviate the problem and not trigger the light. So we got garbage, not garbage, basura, no basura. Oh, I fucked up.
I'm gonna wash mine.
Do me a favor. From the unknown. I'm never doing this shit again. I'm done working on cars.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
Well, you heard it here first, folks. He's done. RIP to the Z.
I'm making another video until this has 100 likes.
What happened?
You turned my music off.
Me?
Yeah.
You turn your music off.
How am I supposed to turn my music off? I'm too busy getting smacked in the face over here.
Hey. Maybe the thing died.
Alright, now the music's off. And I'm glad I did. You know why? Because I'm tired of like sitting at stoplights and having to rev my engine. All because I didn't do this the first time. And honestly, I should have just contemplated on paying somebody to do it myself instead of me doing it. But if I want to do car things on a car channel, I think I should probably do them and not pay people to do them. You know, but that's just me, you know. Some people pay. Look like the car guy that does all the work. Who's that? Blocking my driveway, looking like the thickness of heavens. No, stop. Thank God I'm editing. I don't know. What? You recording again?
Thickness.
Oh, yeah.
He got the ink and the oil. Nah, that's just a new tattoo, guys.
Yeah, that's a new tattoo I went and got this morning.
You decided to get a blackout, you know. Burnt chicken nugget.
Burnt chicken nugget. That was like everybody's 2K players. You have the generic 2K tat.
It's 4:07 right now.
Yeah.
What was your roommate's name? Or like your boy, Kev Butter?
Yeah, what about?
Oh, I thought I had a fart brewing up my stomach. I said, yeah, I'm about to get you views, dog.
Kev Butts.
Let's see.
You ever go on my channel? That's probably has. I think that has like 3,000 views. It's like a snap of my roommate. My old roommate farting in the hallway.
People got some weird fetishes.
Honestly, like that is like my most viewed. Then behind that is when my grandmother got tattooed. Then when we did your cold air intake.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that shit had like 1.5 thousand. Fun fact.
I ain't doing that to the new car anytime soon, guys. I ain't trying to mess that up, you feel me?
Bro, I haven't even talked about you getting a new car on my channel. You should go show them.
Not right now. In a bit.
Not right now.
I'm trying to get as much clips of you right now.
There's nothing to get done. I'm still doing the same shit. We can use YouTube magic though, and it, you know.
Oh, do that snap again.
Wait, hang on.
Where's that hang?
No, we're still here.
No, you just have to edit it.
Many hours later.
Maybe one more snap. One more snap. Hey, Arkel's vlog. Look at me. See my camera? They just kissed.
What are you doing? I just hear some nonsense going on.
Whoa. But yeah. Look,
ready
it's
to-
gonna stop. It's gonna stop.
Oh,
Look. Yeah, 4:59, 5. Stop.
Maybe
Why
it's
does
your,
it do
maybe
that?
It's your settings. Let's go. Like, don't you look really orangey, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. Go film at a daycare. Because that's not sketchy, right?
Bye.
The next day.
So I'm on the phone with my camera guy who said he doesn't want to record. He's feeling lazy today, so we might have to fire him. What do you think?
Give him more money! Give him more money!
I honestly don't pay him, but so I don't even know why I decided to pick up and start recording, but I got a little limp, so don't mind that. Basically, the last couple of days this car has been doing nothing but giving me troubles. As far as, well, I don't really blame the car for it, I blame myself for it. So about what was it, today's what, Thursday? So on Sunday, it was Sunday night, I was actually driving home and I ended up going through, or it was raining really bad, it was a whole monsoon out, and what ended up happening was I drove through a puddle, not realizing that I had done so. The car turned off in the puddle. I wasn't trying to start it because I already knew what that was like. I know my cold air intake sits right below the headlight, and so going through the water, obviously that was going to suck up all this water and whatnot. So I got it towed back to the house, and over the last couple of days I've just been trying to self-diagnose almost. I went through the whole process of replacing, like I replaced the spark plugs, I drained the oil, which had nothing but, it was mixed with oil and water, and it sucks because I just got the oil done. I just did the oil like 2 weeks ago, prior to this even happening. So oil, water mixed in. I pulled the plugs, everything, cranked the car a little bit to force it to spend all that water out. I ended up turning I want to say it's the tensioner pulley underneath, which was able to do full cycle rotation, so it shows that, you know, that nothing's bad down there. And so basically I have to charge my batteries right now, and I'm hoping that that'll be the sudden fix. But I do have a ton of parts that need to be installed on this car, so we're gonna actually do that to kind of kill the time. So I plan on installing or trying to like mock up how the front bumper is gonna look on the car. I also have a new cold air intake because mine is potentially destroyed, and a bunch of other like miscellaneous parts because I really haven't done an update on this car. I don't know how long, like you guys, I've just been, because of the winter and not being able to really work on the cars, I haven't done anything, I haven't recorded anything that I've done to the car. But basically the entire interior is it's a mess right now. I installed the quick release set. I obviously got a steering wheel. I got this cool little fancy light that I put in. I could show you how to do all that stuff and save it for another time, or if I decide to do it for the Z when I get to that point in the car, because that's currently being used as a table for the old bumper and the hood, and yeah, and then the E46 is just chilling there. So I got a lot of stuff that I need to get done. I need to work on the HR engine for the Z's engine, but I need to figure out that car first, because as of right now, that is like my daily. So I had to turn around because I want to grab the front bumper. But yeah, stay tuned. That's extremely awkward. So I seriously don't recommend this at all, because this is such a safety hazard. So on this actual bash bar, there is the sensor right here that connects. So because of this, I have to pull this piece out. I'm probably gonna have to rewire it somewhere so that way it sits up here. Yeah, if there's any way that I could actually make this smaller, then I might just do that. Like, I might just take all this like plastic clipping off so that way I can still keep this in there and still keep some kind of like structure in the front end. So wish me luck. John's gonna be the cameraman today, but let's back up a little bit and let's talk about what just happened. So off camera, don't mind this, but off camera I had to take the plastic cover piece that's over. That's the plastic cover piece.
Damn, you want a close to have a cousin or something?
Oh, the plastic cover piece that was actually all up top of here, so that way it could create some space. So what I'm hoping for is that I have to throw this sensor back on right underneath here, and then hopefully the front bumper can just be mocked up with it. This wind is ridiculous.
I'm cold. I'm about to put on my face mask.
Yeah.
I think that'll honestly warm.
But basically hoping that it all mocks up the right way, and that way I can kind of see the bumper sit, because I did try putting it up there. Yes. You kicked my bumper. You kicked my dog. You kicked my dog.
My dog. She kicked it, and now I'm going to fuck her. I don't know. Don't lie, you fucking guy. Hey, what?
But I'm hoping that now that I created more space in there, that the clearance will actually work with it. If not, then as unsafe as this is going to sound, I don't think I'll be able to run this bash bar with it. So we'll see. So yeah, stay tuned. I totally forgot to mention earlier that something that I ordered in the mail actually came in today, and I might just install it, but this is it. It's going to replace this bougie looking one with
Ooh, that looks nice.
cleaner cover. Hold it.
Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says...
You know how to open the bag?
Dude, it's cold. So I don't want to hear that. It says...
Yes,
Eclipse.
sir.
So basically it's going to go over here and cover the old one to kind of just sit like that. But obviously a lot further back. So yeah. Toss that back in there.
Oh.
But yeah, let's try to get.
Bother cleaning this.
What?
I said they didn't even bother cleaning it.
We brought John to the junkyard. What do you think of the junkyard? Have you seen the Z motor yet?
Yeah.
Oh, you have? Okay. Good. I didn't know. I can't even remember. I'm gonna be honest. I bought that off of eBay, so it was $40. Whatever, I'll take it. It's a subtle change, and you know it is what it is. Oh, it got super dark in here.
Put the put the filter.
Yeah. So the Z engine, the Z trans, the Z coilovers, and all that other stuff. The John and yeah. Whoa. I don't know what the hell that was. Let's go put on this bumper.
Hey guys, have you guys seen Godzilla versus King Kong?
I haven't even seen it yet.
It's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. I know.
I haven't even seen the Zack Snyder cut of Justice League yet. Let's try this bitch. See if it works. Wait. I'm gonna make John do it because I can't. Whoa. All right. We're not doing it like this. There you go.
I'll bring it back. Dead ass.
We're gonna have to just set this down. No, actually, I'm gonna need you to hold it that side.
How are we doing it?
Basically, you hold it that side. Mm-hmm. And try to align.
I have this on the bottom. Where it should go.
Yeah, so this is where it would sit. As much as I want to say it looks good, it is. What do you think? Oh, wait. Maybe? Hang on. Let's see if this makes a difference. I don't think it will. Honestly, though, it could work.
My hands are freezing, yo.
Yeah. Here, you look. I'll hold. Oh my god. Oh. Like none of it's actually bolted up.
So you want me to? I can't.
But you can see the potential, right?
What color you want it so I can squint my eyes hella hard?
Just imagine if it's silver, you know?
Hell yeah! You gonna get
You
fog
can see it, right?
Can you get fog lights for that or no?
Yeah, I can.
Ooh, and a little. No.
Yeah, the gap is pretty bad, but we can work on all of that. Right? I think it'll look nice.
I'm smiling.
Yeah. Alright, come help me take it off.
I got like the little dimples.
You can't see me.
And his name is John C.
Do when you're taking that shot, huh? You get into it, you put your body in it, guys. You know what I'm saying?
Shut up. I don't know which one's.
Oh, who got traded?
Yeah, right? No, MLB opening day.
Oh, baseball. Oh, you're only at one bar.
What's poppin'?